Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the starting material. The compound is 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene 1-ol, 1-tetralol, which has a hydroxyl group at the benzylic C1 position of the tetryline ring system. Moving on to the next step. First reaction, TsCl pyridine. Tosyl chloride in pyridine converts the alcohol, O, into a tosylate, OTS, a good leaving group, without breaking any CO bond of the original molecule. The configuration at C1 is retained. The reaction occurs at sulfur, not carbon. Product A is 1-tosyloxy 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene, the tosylate ester. Moving on to the next step. Second reaction, Lyl4. Lithium aluminum hydride is a strong hydride reducing agent. It reduces tosylates via an SN2 mechanism. Hydride H acts as the nucleophile, displacing the tosylate leaving group with inversion of configuration at C1. The net result is replacement of OTS with H, effectively deoxygenating the alcohol. Product B is 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene tetryline, the fully saturated ring fused to benzene with no substituent at C1. And for the final step. Why this is the correct answer, C. The two-step sequence, tosylation then Lyl4 reduction, is a classic method for removing a hydroxyl group, deoxygenation via tosylate. The product is simply tetryline 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene, which corresponds to option C in the original question set. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.